In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to debug JavaScript code in Google Gemini. We'll walk through a practical, repeatable flow you can use anytime your code isn't behaving. Whether it's a missing semicolon, a tricky runtime exception, or a subtle logic bug, Gemini can help you pinpoint the problem and get back to building faster. Start by opening Google Gemini. Use a fresh chat so the analysis focuses only on your current task. A clean conversation helps Gemini avoid mixing in unrelated context and keeps the suggestions tightly aligned with your code. Next, paste your JavaScript code snippet. Share the smallest version that still reproduces the issue, often called a minimal reproducible example. If it relies on a specific environment, briefly note whether it runs in the browser or under Node.js. Mention what you expect the code to do and what actually happens. A tiny bit of context can save time and lead to more accurate guidance. Now ask Gemini to find errors or issues in the code. Be specific about what you want checked. You can say something like, identify any syntax, runtime, logical, or browser compatibility problems. Explain line by line what's wrong, show me exactly where it occurs, and provide corrected code that's ready to use. It's also helpful to request a brief summary of best practices, possible optimizations, and debugging tips relevant to your snippet. This doesn't add extra steps, it just improves the quality of the analysis you receive. Generate the debugging analysis by sending your prompt and letting Gemini work. The response should highlight errors with clear reasoning, point to exact lines or patterns to fix, and include a corrected version of your code. Look for actionable items such as renaming shadowed variables, fixing asynchronous patterns, adjusting DOM access timing, or updating syntax that might break in certain browsers. If any part of the explanation feels too broad, clarify what you need and ask Gemini to tighten the focus on the specific behavior you're seeing. Finally, apply the suggestions and test the code in your environment. For browser code, open the page and check the console for errors, verify the UI behavior, and confirm that the output matches your expectations. For Node.js, run the file from your terminal, review any logs or stack traces, and validate the results. If something still isn't right, take the new error message or unexpected output back to Gemini for a refined pass. Keep the loop tight. Paste the updated snippet, restate the issue, and request a precise fix. That's the workflow. With a clear prompt and focused testing, you can turn Gemini into a powerful debugging partner for your JavaScript projects.